Welcome once more to my channel. This is a certified real estate consultant, Chalet for Lakowe homes. And this is a video of the open house one bedroom chalet at Peak Resort and Golf Course located in Lakowe. So this is the event that happened on the 25th of May 2023. So we'll be seeing all the highlights, the one bedroom chalet here, the two bedroom chalet here at Peak Resort and Golf Course. So keep watching this video to the very end and you'll be getting more information about this beautiful investment. Trust me, this is one investment you do not want to miss out on. It is something that you need to add to your real estate portfolio. So keep watching to the very end.
Hello everyone, welcome once more to the beautiful Peak Resort and Golf Course. So right here is the one bedroom chalet that has been newly fixed for us. So today is the open house of this beautiful chalet. So why don't you come with me? Let's see what this beautiful chalet looks like. Welcome to this beautiful one bedroom chalet here at Peak Resort and Golf Course. So over here is a open space, tempered glass that can give you a view of this beautiful resort. You can choose to cover it if you do not want it this open, but it actually gives a lovely view. So this is a sizable living room area. This one bedroom chalet is actually sitting on over 80 square meters size of land. That is a total area coverage of this beautiful chalet.
So over here is an open plan kitchen space. Here at the one bedroom chalet, it has a tabletop gas cooker, it has a double kitchen sink, and look at the carpentry finishing of the kitchen cabinets. We also have a microwave oven. All this comes with this kitchen. This is our visitors toilet area. As you can see, it's en suite, and the room is so massive, extremely big for a one bedroom chalet. This property doesn't come with the furniture, and from this video you can see that this room can fit conveniently with a 6x6 size of bed, and you still have enough walkway, enough space to put any other furniture. You can put a side stool, you can put a dresser table. Look at the wardrobe. You can even make a bigger wardrobe for yourself, and it is well ventilated. Look at the window units here. We have about 4 window units here in this one bedroom. Very, very, very ideal if you ask me. And right here is the convenience area where we have our shower. Yes, this is going to be covered with a tempered glass here. You can also choose to put a jacuzzi here. You still have enough space. And that is our wash hand basin. And also behind me here is the toilet area. So you can see that this is a very spacious property. It is actually sitting on 80 square meter size of land. For 20 million naira, you need to get this for yourself. So these are the prototype buildings of our one bedroom chalet and two bedroom chalet, selling respectively for 25 million naira for the two bedroom chalet, then 20 million naira for the one bedroom chalet. So these are ways you can make passive income. Imagine owning units here of a one bedroom or a two bedroom chalet that you can use for Airbnb, which is a very sure way of generating huge return on your investment. If you missed out investing at Lakowe Lakes and Golf Course, then you shouldn't miss out investing here at Peak Resort and Golf Course. So this is where our jetty will be constructed. At the moment, clients can come for inspection using a boat that comes all the way from Falomore in Victoria Island and then docks here at Peak Resort and Golf Course. How convenient can that be? That will help you beat the ever-busy traffic of Lekki Expressway, and of course, give you a convenient and stress-free inspection. Besides having a jetty here, we will be having 3 artificial lakes here at Peak Resort and Golf Course. We'll be having 18-hole golf course. Also, we have boat club for subscribers here. We'll be having tons of recreational centers, stable electricity, 24 hours security, treated and clean water. We'll also be having a games village. We'll be having an event center, entertainment centers. We'll be having internet access and so many more to come. Aside our chalet selling, we also have other building types for sale. We have a 3-bedroom fully detached bungalow selling for 40 million naira. It comes with a studio BQ. We also have a 3-bedroom Terrace duplex selling for 35 million naira, and our 2-bedroom Terrace duplex selling for 30 million naira. Our chalets, again, 1-bedroom chalet is selling for 20 million naira, while our 2-bedroom chalet is selling for 25 million naira. We also have land size starting from 1,000 square meters selling for 55 million naira, 600 square meters selling for 30 million naira, and our 450 square meter is selling for 22.5 million naira. You can start your payment with an initial deposit of 20% and then get a 12 months interest free. If you wish to extend it, we have up to 2 years, that is 24 months payment plan, but with a little interest. Again, 12 months is interest free, no extra charges. Next thing for you to do is to do what? Pick up your phone, call the number showing on your screen right now, and let me bring you for a seamless inspection and get you started on how to own a property here at Peak Resort and Golf Course. Thank you for watching my channel. Till I come your way next time, is Juliet Okiche for Lakowe's Homes.